Local lawmakers are giving their thoughts on the coronavirus outbreak in the volunteer state. Blake Lipton spoke with Representative Timothy Hill and State Senator Rusty Crowe.
Sarah, both state lawmakers feel Tennessee is in a good position at this point of the coronavirus outbreak, partly because of the much-needed emergency funding received from the governor. However, they admit that is something they'll have to continue to monitor.
I'm certainly no proponent of panic. We just want everybody to be safe and just go about their day and take precautions as necessary.
Representative Timothy Hill approves Tennessee's response to the coronavirus outbreak.
They're doing the best they can with the resources that they have. At the state level, we just have to make sure that if there is emergency funding that's available, or if there's things that we can be doing from the state's perspective, and I think that's an ongoing conversation.
So far, the State Department of Health has completed 129 tests for COVID-19. 26 people have tested positive. We asked if he is satisfied with the testing conducted by the state's public health laboratory.
We're looking at a ramp-up process, and so that's going to take a little bit of time.
Hill says that could include making more tests available. Senator Rusty Crowe says more test kits could soon be a reality.
I'm told that, number one, we don't have enough test kits. I think the emergency declaration will help with that. We'll start getting more.
On Thursday, Tennessee Governor Bill Lee declared a state of emergency, allowing access to federal funding and other resources. State Senator Rusty Crowe says he considers the state in a preparedness phase.
If we need, from a sick leave perspective or annual leave for teachers or family leave or school days for kids, we can deal with that through the local LEAs, school boards, those sorts of things. I think if we do need legislation, we can pass that very quickly.
He'll also address the issue of paid sick leave. He says while lawmakers are looking for, quote, mercy from the state or employer's standpoint, it should also be approached as the situation exists.